Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Multivan style. This vehicle comes in the short wheelbase format and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 150 PS. Accompanying this is a smooth DSG automatic transmission. This example is finished in the Fortana red metallic paint colour, and taking a look at some of the exterior features, up front we'll find a set of IQ LED matrix headlights, and the Multivan also features a set of front parking sensors. Down below and across all four wheels we'll find a set of 19-inch Halmstadt alloy wheels finished in a black and silver colour. Privacy glass lines the rear window, including the rear tailgate, where we'll also find a rear view camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. The Multivan features a powered tailgate which can be operated from the key fob. Behind the tailgate there's a fair amount of storage space which can be increased by moving the rear seats forward. There's also a parcel shelf, and access into the rear passenger areas can be found through either of the twin sliding doors. There is a total of 5 seats in the back, and providing comfort on those longer journeys, there is a foldable table that provides cup holders as well as fold-out trays. Moving up into the driver's cab area, we'll find 2 singular seats, both with twin armrests as well as a heated function. In the centre of the dash, we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This comes with inbuilt navigation, as well as allowing you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. This system also allows you to access a variety of different vehicle menus and settings, and beneath this we'll find some charging points as well as a few cup holders. For the driver, there is a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel, and this is paired with a Volkswagen digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Multivan style. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.